Ever wondered what makes women crazy about a man? It's the enigmatic riddle that has puzzled philosophers, poets, and scientists alike throughout the centuries. Attraction, that strange and elusive force, is not easily defined or reduced to a simple formula. But fear not, for we are about to embark on a journey into the heart of this enigma. We'll explore the subtleties and nuances that often go unnoticed, yet hold the key to unlocking that magnetic charm. 6 habits, when cultivated and practiced, have the power to kindle the flame of enchantment and make a man truly irresistible. These are not mere gimmicks or superficial tricks, but profound and meaningful aspects of character that can create a deep emotional connection. So, prepare to unravel the mystery of attraction and discover what truly makes a man irresistible. Stay with us as we delve into the first of these habits, the power of emotional availability. The first habit that makes a man irresistible: emotional availability. What does emotional availability mean, you might ask? It's the ability to be there for your partner in times of need, to empathize with their feelings, and to understand their perspective. This doesn't mean you need to have all the answers or solutions, but rather, it's about being a shoulder to lean on, a listening ear, a comforting presence. Emotionally available men are not afraid to express their feelings and are able to communicate effectively with their partners. They are open, receptive, and understanding, creating a safe space for their partners to share their thoughts and emotions. A relationship where both parties are emotionally available fosters deep connection, trust, and intimacy. It allows for growth, mutual understanding, and a bond that goes beyond the physical. Remember, emotional availability isn't about grand gestures. It's about being present, being understanding, and being there. Second on our list, active listening. The term may sound simple, but it's a profound concept that's often overlooked. Active listening is not merely about hearing words, it's about truly understanding the thoughts and feelings behind those words. It involves paying attention, showing empathy, and responding thoughtfully. It's about giving your full presence, not just your partial attention. Consider this. You're in a bustling cafe, the aroma of coffee filling the air, and your partner is sharing their day. Are you merely nodding along, your mind elsewhere, or are you truly engaged, savoring their words like the rich brew in your hand? Active listening means being that person who not only hears but understands, responds, and remembers. In the realm of relationships, this attentive respect can foster a deep emotional intimacy and connection. It shows your partner that their thoughts and feelings are valuable to you. Active listening is an art, and mastering it can certainly make you a Picasso in the realm of relationships. Third on our list is a trait admired by all: confidence. Confidence, my friends, is more than just a buzzword. It's the backbone of attraction, the sizzle in the steak, if you will. It's the silent song that resonates in the heart of every individual, whispering, "I am capable, I am reliable, I am worthy." But how does one cultivate this coveted trait? Well, confidence is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. It starts with acknowledging your strengths, embracing your flaws, and understanding that no one is perfect. It's about setting realistic goals and celebrating small victories. It's about standing tall, even when the odds are stacked against you. The impact of confidence on relationships is profound. It fosters trust, promotes openness, and encourages mutual respect. Confidence is not about superiority, it is about believing in oneself and one's abilities. Remember, it's not about being the best, it's about being the best version of you. Next up, we have ambition. A word that sparks a sense of curiosity and intrigue. Ambition is a quality that can be incredibly attractive. But why is this so? Well, let's delve into that. Ambition signals a man's drive, his desire to achieve, and his tenacity in pursuing his goals. It's a testament to a man's resolve, his willingness to face challenges head-on, and his determination to overcome obstacles. This trait speaks volumes about a man's character, revealing a strength that is undeniably appealing. Moreover, ambition shows a man's capacity to dream, to envision a future that is better than his present. It's about setting goals, big or small, and working towards them with passion. It's about striving for progress, not perfection. It's about being relentless in the pursuit of one's aspirations. Ambition isn't about wealth or status. It's about having a vision for one's life and working tirelessly to make it a reality. So, gentlemen, dare to dream, dare to aspire, dare to be ambitious. Finally, the last 2 habits that make a man irresistible are authenticity and a sense of humor. Being genuine, showing up as you are, is a hallmark of authenticity. It's about removing the masks we wear in society and revealing our true selves. This honesty is attractive, as it invites trust and deep connection. It signals that we are not afraid to be vulnerable, to be seen for who we truly are. Authenticity plants the seed for emotional intimacy to grow. On the other hand, a sense of humor is a light that can illuminate even the darkest corners of a relationship. It's the shared laughter in the midst of life's absurdity, the playful banter that diffuses tension, the joyous giggles that create cherished memories. A good sense of humor can be a balm, healing wounds and fostering a sense of camaraderie and mutual delight. Being authentic and having a sense of humor isn't about putting on a show, it's about being yourself and finding joy in the little things. So, there you have it. The 6 habits that make a man irresistible to women. The enigma of attraction, the power of emotional availability, the art of active listening, the charm of confidence, the appeal of ambition, and the allure of authenticity and humor. Each of these habits, in its own unique way, contributes to the irresistible magnetism of a man. The enigma of attraction lies in the mystery, the power of emotional availability in the depth of connection, the art of active listening and the empathy it fosters, the charm of confidence in the assurance it provides, the appeal of ambition in the drive it signifies, and the allure of authenticity and humor in the genuine joy it brings. Each habit is a landmark in its own right, a stepping stone on the path to irresistibility. Yet, the secret to irresistibility is not about being perfect. Remember, being irresistible isn't about being perfect, it's about being the best version of yourself.